My daily routine. I wake up in the morning when the sun shines through my window. Then I stretch my arms and legs like a big sleepy cat. I hop out of bed and brush my teeth to keep them shiny and clean. Then I wash my face and splash some water to wake me up. I take a quick shower to freshen up. It's time for breakfast, so I help Mommy make toast or cereal. We sit together at the table to have breakfast. After breakfast, I pick out my clothes and get dressed for the day. I tie my shoes and make sure everything is neat and tidy. I pack my backpack with my books, lunch, and some fun snacks. At 8 a.m., I leave home and walk to school with my friends. When I arrive at school, I say hi to my teachers and classmates. I spend the morning learning about math, reading, and science. At lunchtime, I sit with my friends and share stories while we eat. In the afternoon, we play games during recess, running and having fun. After school, I come home and have my lunch. Then I sit at the study desk and complete my homework. Once I finish, I can play outside or ride my bike. In the evening, my family gathers for dinner and talks about our day. After dinner, I take a bath and get ready for bed. Then I finally close my eyes and dream of new adventures.